How rich people got rich? Well, it's luck. They had unique opportunities. They had wrong. They only had one thing that everyone else has access to, and that's everyone craves being successful. We all aspire to the rich people and their lives, looking at them with jealousy and wanting their lifestyle, but not everyone gets to have it because we are not doing what they are doing. But beside hard work and determination, their success cannot be achieved without a few little secrets that separates the poor from the rich. Let's look into their secrets deeper and see what are the things that prevents them from failing. Number 1, network. If you want to be successful, you need a strong network. You cannot defeat a good team alone. You might be better than them, but you will never win alone. You cannot work 15 hours a day, seek opportunities, be with your family, and taking care of your business all by yourself. You need a team to do all this work for you, which will provide you with the most important asset, which is number 2, time. You can have all the money you want, and you will never get to enjoy them if you don't have enough time. Everyone exchanges time for money. We work a certain amount of our life in exchange for money, some more than others. So what if you're rich if you cannot enjoy your life? If you have to be this week here and the other week there, you won't have time for your family, and in the end, when you will retire, you will regret this and hate the money you made. You will hate your decisions to work instead of spending time with your loved ones. This is why the most valued asset is time. You can always make more money, but you can never buy more time. Number 3. Don't work for money. A very important lesson is that if you work for money, you will never have enough time. What a smart rich person does, however, is making money work for him. In order to have more time, you need to hire others to do the work for you. Indeed, they might not do such a good job like you would, and maybe you won't earn as much as you'd earn from doing the job yourself. But this is scalable and you are not. You can hire 100 people to do certain jobs, and even if you earn just 5% of what you'd earn from doing that job, it is still 500% more in the end. And the most important thing is that you now have all that time free and more money than before without you requiring to do any work for them. Number 4. Adaptation. This is maybe the most important skill to have. It is that one skill that will provide you with safety over the incoming problems. The ability to adapt is essential for everything you do, and in the financial world, it is a must. If a law changes and now you have to pay too much to the government and your business is no longer profitable, it is not the end. There are ways to survive. Uber, for example, theoretically never made profit. An app that charges around 25% of so many drivers around the world. Nike doesn't make profit either. They get hundreds of millions of dollars and don't get any profit? Yeah, right. They adapted to the taxation laws and found ways to don't pay taxes anymore legally. And this is a way to fix the problems. You just need to know where to look and don't lose your ambition and determination. Today's world made everyone glued to their phones, and we can be like them too. We can complain about it, or we can take advantage over it and use this unique opportunity to grow businesses online. The opportunities are endless. In fact, I have a course on how to create 6 different businesses online without any experience, with zero investments, and of course no paperwork. Change your life today. Click on the link in the description and take advantage over our changing world now.